Hi guys, today we're going to drop Luna 2 fidgets and see what she would pick. I did that with not recording and she picked all of these. And she really likes pink. She picked the avocado, what's pink, this pink one, these two pink ones, this one pink one, and these pink ones. And she also picked a rainbow one and this one with color changes it into pink. So now let's do this again, but I'm gonna record it. Okay? Luna's right there. Oops, you can see her. She's right there. And let me just get this one. Guys, I'm picking these two emojis, a green crocodile and a pink elephant. Let's see what she would pick. She doesn't pick anything yet. She's tired, I guess. Yeah. She doesn't pick anything. What's happening? Guys, I don't know. I guess I'll put maybe the screen like this. Luna, hello? Luna. I don't know, she doesn't want to. She picks the pink or green one. Luna, do it again. I don't know what she picked. She picked the green one. She picked the green one. And that's the crocodile. So for this round, she got this one, not the pink elephant. I don't know why. Maybe she just wants to maybe get something else than only pink colors. So let's get this little crowd and this big pink emoji. It's my biggest emoji. So let's put the camera. No. She didn't pick anything yet. Hello? No. Pick something. You're picking that time like... Oh. I think I know what's the problem. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put you right here. No. Can't do that. Can I do that? Can you see the camera? Okay, this is good. Luna. She's right there. Ah, I don't know. She just didn't pick anything. Luna. I guess that means that she wants both because in one round she picked both because she didn't pick, so that means both. Okay, so let's put both of these emojis. She likes both of them. And now let's do a monkey noodle one. And we got two monkey noodles. Let's go in my room. Are the monkey noodles here? Yes, there are. Some right here. But I'll just check in the bin. Luna! She was sitting to her new fidgets in this round. I'm gonna put you. Okay, hi. I'm gonna get two monkey noodles. Sorry guys, I can't see it. And you can't see me. So we're gonna get two monkey noodles. This one is pink and this one is light blue. Let's see what she picks. She really likes monkey noodles. These are her favorite fidgets. Let's give her a try. What would she pick? What would you pick? I'm going to do this. Maybe this? I can't. Okay, guys. Let me. Okay, so. Okay. So I'm gonna put you right here. Can you see? Okay. Luna, come. She picked the pink one. She picked the pink one. This cool monkey noodle. She doesn't really like these like fuzzy ones, but yeah, she picked this one. Let's put her fidget collection. I'll put this away. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get new fidgets for that. Also, she doesn't like dimples at all. Guys, so I don't know which would she pick. This is a regular simple dimple, or she will pick a candy simple dimple. Luna, she picked the simple dimple. So this one is out. And also, guys, if the comments are turned on, please tell in the comments what would you pick. Okay, so we're gonna pick the simple dimple. Put the candy one here and put this dimple in the collection. I'm gonna get the fidget. Also, guys, if the comments are turned on, tell in the comments what do you think Luna is going to pick. So right here is a unicorn simple dimple, and I think she likes unicorns, and it does have pink color. That's great, but this has pink color too, as this and this one. So I don't know what she would pick, but let's see. Luna, you didn't see. Let me do this again. Luna. I knew she was going to pick the unicorn one, but she picked this one. This one is out. Our collection. Let's get the up again. Guys, so I picked two squishies. I picked a cat one, a rainbow cat one, that has an ice cream, and a cupcake one. Okay, let's see what she would pick. I think she would pick the cat because she's a cat. She picked the cat. And I think I already know why, because she is a little kitty, and this is a little kitty. Let's go. And this into her collection. Okay, so I picked two monkey noodles again. I picked this green fuzzy one and a purple regular one. Luna, you didn't pick any yet, but like you. she picked the green fuzzy one. Luna. Okay, she picked the green fuzzy one. And let's see, this is it. Okay, we need one more round. Are you ready for the last round? Okay, so she didn't have any puppets, so I'm gonna bring 2. So I brought a mini puppet, and I brought a Among Us one. Okay, so let's get it together. She didn't pick any for now. We should just wait both. Yeah, she wants both of these puppets. She likes them. So put them both in the collection. And that's it for today. I think there was 8 or 7 rounds. So yeah. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share. Bye.